Hey, this is Munir here from Gutenberg Hub. In this video, we'll explore different ways to add a block in Gutenberg Editor. When you create a new page or post in Gutenberg, you see two blocks added by default. The first one is the title block where you write your page title, and this block is not removable. This is fixed, so you just have to write your page title here. And then below that, there is one block added by default for you, which is a paragraph block, so that you can start writing your post content right away. So you can start writing your content using this paragraph block, and when you hit enter, Gutenberg adds another paragraph block without needing you to add it manually. So as you can see, there are now two paragraph blocks, so I can just keep writing my content and hit enter and write another paragraph, hit enter and write another paragraph. However, if you want to add something different than the paragraph, so you have to add a block, and there are a few different ways you can add a block in Gutenberg Editor. One way is to add a block is by clicking on this plus icon on the top toolbar in the Gutenberg Editor. So you need to click on this and it opens up this block inserter window on the left side, and so you can search for your block, for example from here, or you can browse the blocks by scrolling down in the inserter window and find the block you are looking for, and then click on the block to add it. For example, if I click this, it will add the list block just below uh, the block I'm currently focusing on. So let's click on this. As you can see, it's added the block and also directed me or focused on that particular block, so I can start working with it directly. So I can create my list, hit enter, create my list again. Another way to add a block in Gutenberg is by clicking on the plus icon, which is available at the very bottom or the last block on your page or post. As you can see, if I click on this, it shows me a small variation of the inserter as compared to the main inserter, which you see when you click on this inserter icon. So this one shows me a small inserter window. I can search for my block, and it also shows me some most common or the most latest blocks you have used. For example, it's showing me the list, block, code, paragraph. So these blocks varies depending on your usage, and you can click on this browse all window. It opens the main inserter, or you can simply search for your block. For example, I don't see an image block here. However, I can just start typing here for the image block, and it shows me all the blocks which are using the keyword image or are relevant. So I can click on this and it inserts the block right here. You can also insert blocks between your current blocks. For example, I have this paragraph block here. I can insert a block just below this and above this list block. So when I'm focusing on this particular block, you need to mouse over in the around the center of the page or the editor, and you'll see this little icon, add icon, appear. If you click on this, it will open up the same little block inserter window. You can search for your block and insert it right here, as you can see. Another way to insert a block between your content, for example, if I want to add a block just below this headline, one way is to do it this way, but you can also click on the add block icon, and now as I'm focusing on the headline block, now if I add a block from the list here, it will insert this block just below the block which I'm currently focusing on. For example, you can also see a blue line when I hover over a block. As you can see, if I hover on a block here, you see this line, this blue line appearing, which is the indicator that this block will be inserted in this location. So if I click on this, here is the image block added just below my headline. So this is how you can add blocks between your content. There's one more way. You can simply hit enter, and it gives you the blank paragraph block added, and here you can click on this inserter and insert a block, which this is how you can. So these are a couple of ways you can insert blocks between your content. And lastly, there is another way to add blocks in Gutenberg, which is using the block toolbar. So on every block toolbar, you see this more options, a three-dot menu option. You need to click on this, and it gives you two options to insert block: insert before and insert after. If I click insert before, it simply inserts a paragraph, an empty paragraph block in the above that particular block. So I can now click on this inserter and insert my new block here. Now there is one more way to that you can use to insert blocks in Gutenberg, and this is my favorite, because while you are writing in the paragraph block, you just use a slash command. You need to type forward slash, and it shows you the little block inserted like this. So you can just type in your keyword for the block you are searching. For example, if I want to insert a table block here, I can just start typing table, table, and it gives me the option or the suggestion for the blocks it can find for me. So I can hit enter, and it gives me the block. This is the most useful way I found to add block while I'm writing my content. So let's say I'm writing some paragraph here, and now I need to add an image just below this. So I can hit enter. This adds a empty paragraph block, and now rather than typing in it my content, I can just type a forward slash and type image and click on this image block, and it gives me the image block. So this is really a brilliant way to work with Gutenberg, and you just need to keep typing your content, keep writing your content, and whenever you need something extra, something different to add, for example an image or a gallery, you can just hit enter and type in your keyword followed by a forward slash, for example table, and just hit enter and insert that particular block or element. This is how easy to add and working with Gutenberg blocks. Hope you find this video useful. Please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.